smešno, smo zamudili drugi ran, ne. Prvi ran smo komaj vlovili, ampak smo uspeli. Naša prikolica Čila, ne parkirana sredi parka prikolic, ne. Smo pa tukaj z Borno, ki ima za support patrola. Mi pa s Tuaregom valda. In še se pa pičimo na štart, ne.
Da.
Ti si prvi, ja drugi, to je to. Tako da odmah, ko oni završijo to otvaranje trke, smo mi v akciji, ne?
Da, može, bomba. Samo treba paziti.
Da. Evo, na levi imamo slovesno fotografiranje. Borna je pozabil telefon na kuferamu, ampak smo ga uspeli spasiti, ne? To je tretji ran. On vodi, jaz sledim, zamenjali smo pozicijo naprej prejšnjim ranom. Si pripravljena, Klavdija?
Sem.
I see them in the park again. Sun's gone down, they're fighting in the dark again. All of them are just young children. What is in the heart of them? Yeah, yeah. Out my window, I see them in the park again. Sun's gone down, they're fighting in the dark again. All of them are just young children. What is in the heart of them? The heart of them. A war one for the youth of today. Strong non-believers, constantly out on road looking at eaters. It's standard procedures. To jack a man's phone, ran home to check out the features. Leeches, carved niches in the same street. Supposedly once walked by Jesus. And the weapon is prevalent in and amongst the fighting. Just another pack of villainous youngsters fighting. Underlining the fact that the findings are blinding. Most miss the signs and can't help combining the wrong with the lack of the right thing. Inviting by citing quotes in the writing. Unnourished, even with a can full of nourishment. Needing the back of the hand that spells punishment. Too proud and disallowed by the government. Lost in chaos but try to govern for the fun of it. Out my window I see them in the park again. Sun's come down, they're fighting in the dark again. All of them are just young children. What is in the heart of them? Yeah, yeah. Out my window I see them in the park again. Sun's come down, they're fighting in the dark again. All of them are just young children. What is in the heart of them? The heart of them. Certain man out there figured they're bigger, quick to pull trigger, but is it the way? Heard them say that you could get popped in broad day. That gunman today, nah play, but a life man I play with me. I say this and stay one step ahead of the predators, ready to prey. Stray bullet takes a life away and slay unknown peeps that get left where they lay. No time taken, no doubt or delay. Heat like the weather in May. Been seen, done. Never say never, but never again. Who cares and when will it change? I gotta come stronger, no longer the under bitch with new tricks. Flip to tip to top, top to toe tactics. I'm just a maverick that lacks static. It's just music, so I use it to prove it. Out my window, I see them in the park again. Sun's come down, they're fighting in the dark again. All of them are just young children. What is in the heart of them? Yeah, yeah. Out my window, I see them in the park again. Sun's come down, they're fighting in the dark again. All of them are just young children. What is in the heart of them? The heart of them. Whatever is the word of the week. An 8 out of 10 cats are too fucked up to speak. Newspapers leak, moles hold bone in their cheeks. Skeletons out the closet, walk the streets. The Bobby that you're blocking ain't the ones on the beat. Fresh meat, hit delete, follow your feet. Bust up the battleship, but watch for the fleets of hood rats and skeets. From brass clots to blood cleats. Retreat, both wide earth and ocean deep is given to those who creep to hold and keep, along with whatever you manage to reap. In light of the road steep and future bleak. Black and roll, throwing a racket at the umpire. All speak nothing but the slang of the empire. All this may seem a little like a dream, though it's just straight spitting from Rubberman and Chemo. Out my window I see them in the park again. Sun's come down, they're fighting in the dark again. All of them are just young children. What is in the heart of them? Yeah, yeah. Out my window I see them in the park again. Sun's come down, they're fighting in the dark again. All of them are just young children. What is in the heart of them? The heart of them.
Evo, tretji ran danes, prvi chase ran danes. Na zgornjem delu smo pustili malo razdalje, ker bo čisto delaminiralo gume. Zdaj smo pa ful uživali, pa par dobrih klipov bo, ne?
Ja.
Majhen voltep, koščki gume.
Dobar vol tem.
Ej, samo di je bilo to?
Jo, isto kažem, ne znam.
V glavnem, resnica gorsko-hitrostnih dirk je ta, da ko odvoziš svojih 5 minut, ko zaspiš na eni klopci, dokler te ne pošlje nazaj v dolino, ker se ljudje razbijajo, pa čakaš vse ostale voznike, da pridejo na vrh hriba.
Se posnel.
Tukaj bomo samo snemala, ok?
Kaj?
Tukaj bomo samo snemala, ker še ni vroč motor dovolj. Dobro je on skapiral to driftanje.
Nije, reži to u pelgu, reži, jače to stegni.
Spremno? pas je za drift igat.
Da, je.
Da.
A kamata je možda predugačka ili?
Pa ne, zadnji ovjes ni baš najbolje.
Mislim da ću ja počet nosit kratke hlače kod ti.
Bilo bi dobro. Kako je bilo?
Top, znači top. Vrh, svaka
Super.
čast.
Fejmići, ne?
Evo.
Ajmo. Svi skupa, ajde, šta?
Ajde. Svi zajedno, evo svi zajedno, ajde, svi zajedno, evo.
Ajde, ja ću vas slikat.
Evo ga. Ajmo, upadaj se.
Morat ću ovako. A svi ruke u zrak, šta ste takvi? Ajmo, uuuu! Top!
Pazi voiceover, dan vožnje na Formula Driver Cupu v Buzetu zaključujemo z driftanjem v dolino. Danes smo napravili 4 vožnje na hrib, po navadi jih napravimo več, vendar je 200 voznikov na štartu in obilo defektov ter nekaj lažjih crashov povzročilo časovno stisko v programu. Ob tej priliki bi se rad zahvalil Bojanu Kroti, da mi je spet zagotovil mesto med predvozniki, pa tudi celi ekipi Formula Driver Cupa, ker to je serija gorsko-hitrostnih dirk, kjer moraš biti prisoten, če želiš nabrati neprecenljive izkušnje iz dirkanja, pa tudi skupina ljudi, ki se najde na teh dirkah, je res prijetna, vključno z relativno nizkimi stroški, odlično hrano in zanimivim progami je pa to D-serija, katero se splača pridvoziti. Za današnjo piko na i se je pa Borna uspel zmeniti, da lahko furamo tandeme. Ej, dobro smo se danas provozali.
Je, bilo je bomba.
Tako da se vidimo u priliki.
Da, vidjet ćemo da li Rušice ili ako ne Grobnik.
Natali. Rušica.
Da, da.
Kaj zdaj?
Tvoja nagovaranja.
Ajde, čujemo se.
Ajde, čujemo se, vidimo se.
Vidimo se.
Ajde.
Ćao.
Aj bok. Aj
Ćao.
Ćao.
Današnjo zgodbo pa zaključujemo s potjo domov, kjer je bilo valjda en kup zastojev dela na cesti, tako da je vožnja iz Buzeta do Štajerske trajala namesto nekaj ur cel večer. To je recap nedeljskega Formula Driver Cupa v Buzetu. Naslednji video bo pa recap sobotnega Game of Drifta v Logatcu. Tako da vsi tisti, ki bi radi videli še tisti video, ne se pozabiti subscribati. Če vam je ta video všeč, dajte stisniti like, šerajte friendu. Zaenkrat pa je to vse z moje strani. Z vami sem bil Erik, hvala za ogled in se vidimo v naslednjem videu.
Gas, 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 gas.